Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete eBay account. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. Make sure that you updated your eBay to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to delete your eBay account, go to the eBay website and sign in, and then hover the cursor or the cursor over your name in the upper left corner and click account settings. Click on close account. A page on closing your account will open. From the drop down menu, select a reason category why you are closing your account and follow along the on-screen instructions, and you're gonna probably enter your password so but you can verify that you want to delete your own account, and basically you're gonna be able to delete your eBay permanently. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.